Since our total room renovation in 2011-12, we're running a very high occupancy. We have created a very strong demand for Manchebo, being at a boutique resort, focused on wellness, with yoga, Pilates classes, and so we're running a very strong occupancy. And since the demand is high, we're able to charge a little bit more every year. So we're very pleased with our average daily room rates and our revenue per available room, the RevPAR. Because it allows us to make Manchebo even a more beautiful hotel. It's probably the 5-star beach on the island, and we also made it now a 4+ star resort. And guests rate it very highly. I love to come back, and so for 2014 was a record year. In 2015 it's going to be even better again. Trying to fill in all the rooms. We have certain more upscale clientele now, with a higher income. They love what we do here with the spa, yoga classes, Pilates, fine dining, and ex-bistro and French steakhouse. Even now we have a omakase sushi bar, but people love. And so by upgrading the amenities and the services and the product in general, the demand keeps going. And Aruba is, like they say, Aruba is hot. No? And Manchebo is also doing extremely well, better than I ever expected. Yeah.